Welcome to Singapore Changi Airport, located in Singapore, is widely regarded as one of the best airports in the world, among the busiest in Asia for international passengers. Frequently ranked as the world's best airport by Skytrax and other organizations. Known for cleanliness, efficiency, and excellent passenger experience. Johor Changi Airport opened in 2019, connected to Terminal 1. It includes the HSBC Rain Vortex, the world's tallest indoor waterfall, an indoor forest, canopy park, shops, restaurants, and a hotel. Butterfly Garden in Terminal 3. Free movie theaters and gaming zones. Swimming pool in the Terminal 1 Transit Hotel. Services and facilities. Fast and efficient immigration and customs process. Automated check-in and baggage systems. Free Wi-Fi, lounges, and nap areas. Extensive shopping and dining options with both local and international brands. Transit tours of Singapore available for passengers with long layovers. Connectivity. Public transport. Served by MRT, train, buses, and taxis. Accessibility. Easy access to downtown Singapore in about 20 minutes by taxi. Designed by architect Moshe Safdie, Johor has a unique glass and steel dome with a lattice pattern. It contains indoor gardens and recreational spaces. The main attraction is the HSBC Rain Vortex, the tallest indoor waterfall in the world, standing at 40 meters. It falls through 7 levels of lush greenery. Attractions. Shiseido Forest Valley is a 5-story indoor garden with more than 3,000 trees and 60,000 shrubs. It includes walking trails and small waterfalls. Canopy Park is on the top floor and features attractions like the Canopy Bridge, Hedge Maze, Discovery Slides, and Skynets. These are interactive and fun for all ages. Changi Experience Studio. The Mario Kart Dual Circuit Challenge is a promotional campaign held by Nintendo in collaboration with the Johor Changi Airport in Singapore from April 25th through July 24th, 2025. The challenge is a stamp rally in which participants must visit a number of Mario Kart themed displays throughout the Johor Changi Airport complex in order to collect 6 unique stamps on a designated stamp rally card. Half lion, half fish. With a head of a lion and a body of a fish, this beloved symbol has inspired myriad works of art and poetry. The Merlian's fish-like body symbolizes Singapore's origins as a fishing village, known as Temasek, a name which comes from same root as the word Tasek, lake in Malay. The statue's head represents the city's original name of Singapura, Lion City in Sanskrit. The story behind the statue. Spouting water from its mouth, the Merlian statue stands at 8.6 meters and weighs 70 tons. Jubilee Bridge is a pedestrian bridge in Singapore that spans the Singapore River, connecting Merlion Park to the Esplanade Waterfront Promenade. Officially opened on the 29th of March, 2015, the bridge was completed ahead of schedule to accommodate the state funeral procession of Singapore's founding Prime Minister, Lee Kuan Yew.